Wagwan, today we're going to be making some authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so right here I have some leg quarters, about 10 pounds. It's already clean and I did some deep cuts. This is going to allow the seasoning to soak right in, better taste. And then we're going to marinate our chicken for 24 hours for best results. Alright, so here I have my seasoning. I have some paprika, some onion powder, chili powder, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, a little black pepper, and some salt. Alright, and all these seasoning right here is measured out to be about a tablespoon each. All right, so now we're just gonna pour it on top, mix it in, just like that. Mix it up a little. And guys, my chicken, like I said, it's already clean, washed with some vinegar, some lime and all that good stuff. All right, make sure you wash your chicken. Yeah, so now we're gonna add some jerk seasoning to it, some fresh blended jerk seasoning. All right, yeah, I'm gonna leave a little bit of it because this is gonna be the finishing sauce that we add on top of the chicken afterwards. Rub it in, massage it in. Smelling so good. Oh my God. Whew. Yes guys, so we're just gonna let this sit for a minute because we're still waiting on the grill to get ready, because you don't want to add it to the grill right away. You want to make sure the heat level is nice, perfect, ready to go. Yes guys, so as you can see right now, the grill is ready to go. We're about to start the jerk process. All right, so you want to go ahead and add your chicken. And with jerk guys, it's not a quick process, it's a nice slow process, so it's going to take about an hour or two. All right, you want to make sure your chicken is nicely seared, nicely charred on the first side, and then we're going to flip them over and repeat the same step. Right now guys, we can smell the seasoning all in my eyes them. Yeah, well seasoned guys. OMG. Thank God for whoever created the whole jerk thing. Pour your jerk sauce on top same way. All that seasoning, we're not gonna let that go to waste. Pour it right on top. Yeah man. Ooh. Yeah man. That's how it's done guys. All right. So we're gonna leave the grill open for a few more minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over, because as you can see right now, that's not ready to flip. All right, so let it slow cook. See you in a few minutes guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and flip over the chicken them again. Give it another flip. The skin is a little bit stuck, to the grill. That's normal. All right. We're gonna rotate these, remove some of them that's already charred from the high heat and put the other ones in right there, All right, this one is not ready to be flipped, so we're gonna keep it that way. All right, guys, so now we're gonna close down the grill and let it slow cook. All right. Yeah, so right now we're just gonna add some water on top, just to lower the heat a little bit and keep it nice and moist, nice and juicy. Go ahead and close it back down. Yes, guys, so I'm just gonna add some jerk sauce on top, just like that. All right, guys, so right now we're just gonna put the chicken on the top grill and let it slow cook for about 30 more minutes. Yes, guys, so I'm just gonna add a little jerk sauce on top of it. Do a little quick taste test. I'm making to know what I go on. Yo, wicked. Oh my God. Tastes so good, guys. Definitely check out this recipe. Let me know what's going on. Come on.